Hidden in the dark, the pumpkin seed begins to pump water, preparing to launch a green empire.
The soil cracks open as the strong, arched neck of the pumpkin sprout emerges into the light.
These first leaves are the pumpkin's initial solar panels, fueled by the concentrated energy of the seed.
The pumpkin vine is an explorer. Its tendrils search for stability, coiling around anything they touch to anchor the growing plant.
The preparation for the giant begins with small, delicate buds, protected by a forest of defensive hairs.
A brief window of opportunity. The pumpkin flowers open for only a few hours, relying on the urgency of nature's messengers.
The tiny green orb at the base of the flower begins to swell, forming the young pumpkin.
The inflation phase is breathtaking. A healthy pumpkin can put on several pounds of mass in a single cycle.
The vine is a highway. Massive amounts of water and carbon are transformed into the solid density of the pumpkin.
Internal architecture. As the shell hardens, a vast cathedral of seeds and fibers forms within the pumpkin.
The pumpkin skin becomes hard and glossy, resistant to the light morning frost.
Armor of the field. This thick orange rind protects the seeds through the cooling temperatures of late autumn.
The pumpkin vine begins to dry and turn brown, focusing all final energy into the pumpkin itself.
from a flat seed to a golden giant. The genesis of the pumpkin is a triumph of rapid expansion.
The camera glides low over the field, capturing the scale of the Genesis Motion pumpkin harvest.
The air around the pumpkin is visualized as shimmering orange particles, representing its beta-carotene richness.
Each one a blueprint for a future giant. Harvest ready. Maximum beta-carotene density.
One final gaze at the giant. A masterpiece of structure, water, and sunlight. Precision in every curl. The pumpkin uses advanced geometry to stabilize its rapid growth. The digital overlays indicate a rapid increase. Potassium levels are spiking dramatically across the sample. The pumpkin rind is shown to be tough enough to deflect a light impact, protecting the seeds.
The pumpkin's ribs are shown to be structural supports, allowing the pumpkin to maintain its round shape.
The microscopic transfer that creates a giant. Every grain of pollen is a catalyst for greatness.
The pumpkin vine is shown to have small prickles that deter herbivores from eating the leaves.
Sunlight filters through the giant leaves, creating a green room effect for the growing pumpkin below.
Perfection in every pound. Genesis Motion ensures only the most robust giants reach your table.